Building a one-product Shopify store is a focused and powerful way to launch an e-commerce business. By using AI, you can streamline the process and create a professional-looking store quickly. Here's how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Choose your product and brand. First, you need a single product to sell. A one-product store succeeds by mastering a niche. Use AI for market research and branding. Product research. Use tools like Google Trends or AI-powered product research apps to identify a trending product or an underserved niche. Branding. Use an AI logo generator and AI-powered content tools like Shopify Magic or Jasper AI to create a brand name, slogan, and define your brand's voice. Step 2. Set up your Shopify store. Next, set up the basic foundation of your store. Create your Shopify account. Go to shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. Follow the prompts to create your store. Choose a theme. Select a theme that is visually clean and highlights a single product effectively. Look for themes designed for single product stores or ones that are minimalist and image-focused. You can use an AI-powered theme builder to generate a store layout. Customize your store. Homepage. Make your homepage a compelling sales page for your product. Use AI to generate persuasive copy that focuses on the product's benefits and features. Product page. This is the most crucial page. Use AI to create a detailed, high-converting product description. Essential pages. Generate About Us, Contact Us, and FAQ pages using AI. These build trust and answer common customer questions. Step 3. Add your product with AI. Add your product to the store and enhance its presentation using AI. Add product details. Go to the products section in your Shopify admin, enter your product's title and description. Use an AI content generator for high-quality, SEO-optimized text. Create AI-generated product images. Use AI tools like OnModel or Creator Kit to generate professional product photos. These can show your product in various settings or on different models, saving you the cost and time of a photo shoot. Add variants. If your product has different sizes, colors, or styles, add them as variants. Step 4. Configure settings and launch. Finally, finalize your store's settings before going live. Payments. Set up Shopify payments and any other payment providers you want to use. Shipping. Configure your shipping rates and zones. Domain. Buy a custom domain name through Shopify. Remove password protection. Go to Online Store, Preferences, and uncheck the Restrict Access to Visitors with the password box. Test. Place a test order to ensure your checkout process works correctly. Your one-product Shopify store is now live.